Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a really easy Halloween Dollar Tree DIY for you today. I'm using one of these Dollar Tree frames. The fact that it is square and black is perfect for this. I just removed the back of it. It doesn't have any glass, but I do remove the little staples there in the back. I want it to be just a frame. Now we're going to make a spider web using some of this cotton twine from Dollar Tree. You could also use their macrame cord. It's about the same size. This might be a little bit thinner. And what we're going to do is just spin a web. So I'm working on the back of the frame. I'm just using my staple gun and I kind of crisscross a little bit uneven to make the web a little bit more random. And then I crisscross again with like a kind of a plus sign. Now's the fun part. You have to connect the webs together. Just think about how a spider web looks. You can simply tie it, go all the way around and make one loop, and then I'm going to go through and do the second thing with a second circle. The more random the better, because like spider webs are not going to be like even. And then I'm going to finish it off with a little spider. I got this little fuzzy spider at Walmart, but you could always use the ones from the Dollar Tree. They're just a little colorful for me this year. This is how it turned out. If you'd like more Halloween or fall Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.